How to increase download speed in Google Chrome. In this video I will show you few steps to solve the problem. If parallel downloading was disabled, just enable it. Now open Control Panel. Select Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Now open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration.
Now type the following command and press Enter.
Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. I hope your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.